Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bri. So for today's video, I have a very exciting video for you guys. I will be creating this makeup look with all my Boxycharm products that I received for the month of August. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that's $21 a month. They will send you 4 to 5 name brand products. So when you sign up for Boxycharm monthly, they do make you take like a little test. That way they know what you're kind of into, like if you want more skincare or more makeup. It's just a ton of beauty products. This is my second box that I have received from them. My first box was for the month of July and I got a ton of good stuff, but I was just trying it out, seeing if I liked it, seeing if it was worth it. The first box I received like a eyeshadow palette, brushes, a face mask. This box, I absolutely loved it and I'm so excited to receive my September box. I filmed this video a little bit late, but if you guys want to see the products that I got for this month's Boxycharm and how I created this look, just keep watching. My skin is already prepped and primed. I already did my eyebrows and I actually filled in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, which I have not used in years. I think the last time I picked it up I didn't like it and I ended up giving it to my mom because I liked more of like the bolder brow, but I feel like now that I'm more into like a more softer kind of brow, I really enjoyed it and it was way faster than filling it in with the pomade. So I don't know, this might be my new brow routine. Maybe I'll do the pomade like for longer days or like special events, but I'm really liking how the brow is turned out. And I did pick it up in the shade Caramel or Caramel. I didn't even know that they had that shade. Usually I do soft brown, but they do have that shade in the pomade as well, so I might give that a try. And like always, I already primed my face with the Hourglass Mineral Oil Primer. Boxycharm seems to be like all pink themed and I really love that. I think it's super cute. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is this Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It's like really pink and cute. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it's nothing crazy. Like there's not going to be sparkles on your face. So I'm quickly just going to be going in with the Fake Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation and just put that all on my face. For some reason I've been doing my face before my eyes, which is so weird because I would always do my eyes first, but I feel like I finish my makeup so much faster when I do my face first and then I go in with eyeshadow, which is weird. Here is my mug, you guys. It says Boss Lady. One of my clients actually bought it for me. A lot of my clients actually buy me mugs that say like Boss Lady, Boss Life, just like Boss Girl, just because I always like that. I feel like I always like say that, or I don't know. I'm just gonna slightly cream contour using the Huda Beauty Tantour. Now I'm just going to be concealing and highlighting with a Tarte Shape Tape. I'm really excited for the day that I get a new camera just because I feel like I love the Sony a5100. I've had it for a long time. But the only thing is that it adds like this softness to your face. Kind of like Facetune, like when you soften your face and like make it look perfect, it adds that, and it's not something like you can change in the settings. So I feel like for like when I do my makeup, I don't know, I like it, but I just feel like everything looks too soft. Like it's a little bit hard for you guys to see the exact colors or like the exact results if you know what I'm saying. So the next product is going to be from Boxycharm, and I am so excited to try this powder because I have heard like so many crazy things about it. So this is supposed to be like a wet powder. I don't even know what the hell that means. But this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So I'm pretty much going to be setting under my eyes and my whole entire face with this. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Wow. Oh my god. I thought people were just exaggerating like in their videos, but what the fuck? It feels wet. Like, it's a very lightweight powder. What? I don't even know what's happening right now. It looks really pretty, but it feels very wet. It feels like very, not wet, but like very cooling on your skin, but I really like it. Sorry, I'm weird. I smell everything. It has a weird smell to it. I really like it. I like how it feels. I just don't know why it smells weird. Now I'm just going to be bronzing my skin with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. This is in the shade Wet Shady Beaches. I really like this bronzer. So the next product is not from Boxycharm, but I did pick it up yesterday, and this is the I Love Revolution Peach and Glow. I swatched it already, but it's supposed to be like, I'm guessing a highlighter and blush, but I'm not really into like the colorful highlighter, so I'm just going to be using like them both as blush. It says highlighting and illuminating powders, but I think they're really beautiful blushes. They're just really like pinky. I'm just gonna mix them both together and just cleaning up my contour a little bit. It's so weird. Like, I just want to know the technology behind this powder that makes it feel wet. Like, I don't understand. So the next two items from Boxycharm are these really pretty glimmer shadows. They are from the brand Ace Beauty. And this is in the shade Iced Latte, and this is in the shade Cotton Candy. So there's like a bronzy one and a pinky one. They look so pretty. They remind me a lot of like the ColourPop little pots like this. I've already swatched them and they look amazing, so I can't wait to try them out. And then I'm actually gonna be pairing it with this BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii palette. I feel like they'll look really good together because this is also like a pinky bronzy palette. I actually just picked this up, I want to say like last week or something. I've only used it like twice, but if you guys know BH Cosmetics, they always come out with some bomb products for super cheap. Their eyeshadows are really good, so I highly recommend this palette. This is like a perfect summer palette, but it has a lot of good transition colors, so I really like this palette. I'll be taking the light brown shade called Shaka. Now I'm going to be taking a shade, the shade called Hibiscus, and it's just like a little, I'm actually going to take Hibiscus and Lay and mix them together. So they're just like a pinky peachy color. My camera did overheat, of course, so I just ended up finishing the eyes off camera, basically just darkened up the look, but now I am going to be going into the actual Boxycharm products. So I'm going to go in with the pinkier one first. It's called Cotton Candy. They are really pretty. They are super pigmented. I am going to go in with the darker bronzy one. I'm pretty much just going to mesh the two together, that way I can just try out both. To use this one for a look. This is so pretty. They are so pretty. I'm so excited to use the bronze one, just for like a complete, like, very bronzy look. I feel like this camera is not doing it enough justice, but Boxycharm did me good with these. I really like them. I think they're actually worth $25, which is pretty pricey. I'm just gonna set the face and highlight really quick. Next up from Boxycharm is this mascara. This is the Big Ego Tarte Mascara. I must tell you guys, I never buy expensive mascaras. I stick to the L'Oreal Telescopic because I feel like it is so perfect to put, like, the wand is super tiny, so it's perfect for your bottom lashes. I always wear falsies, so a good mascara, like an amazing, like, expensive mascara, is not worth it for me. I love the L'Oreal Telescopic. I feel like it works amazing. I'm a little bit worried about this one just because the wand is extremely big, so I don't know how that's gonna work on my bottom lashes. Like I said, I wear falsies, so my natural lashes looking amazing is not really a big concern of mine. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on off camera and see how it goes. Okay, so I did apply the mascara and it made my lashes really long. The wand was a little bit tricky to work with on the bottom lashes just because I wanted to make sure I didn't smudge, but I really liked it. So these lashes are Lily Lashes in Miami. And lastly, for the Boxycharm product is this Steve Laurent's lip liner, and this is in the shade Vogue, so I'm just gonna quickly apply that. So this is like a pinky, like, it's kind of like a pinky brownish shade. I really like it. Okay, so I did fill in my whole lips with this. I did leave the center a little bit lighter. It's a really pretty shade. Obviously you can top this with a lipstick, you can put a gloss. I think I'm just gonna put a gloss on. I'm gonna use the MAC. This is just the MAC lip gloss in Berry Go Lightly. I think it'll go pretty good with the eyes. Okay, so I pretty much just popped that on the center. Now that my lashes are dry, I'm just gonna be squeezing them together and adding some more mascara to, like, blend them all in. Just wanted to zoom you guys in really quick. This is the eyes. Okay, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to let you know that all the products that I got from Boxycharm this month did total up to $144. I'm just gonna quickly go over the products. So first off, the Becca Hydro Mist and Refresh Powder. I am loving how it's making my skin look. It's making it look very airbrushed and flawless. I have no wrinkles underneath my eyes, which is amazing. The Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil worked really good. I do see somewhat of a difference in my skin. It's more glowy and, like, youthful looking. The Tarte Big Ego Mascara, again, I like it. I never spend a lot of money on mascara, so this is a really nice way to try new products that you don't typically buy at the store. The Glimmer Shadow Duo, you guys already know in the video, I loved it. I can't wait to create a look using the bronze shade because it's so pretty. I love it. And finally, for the lip liner, I really like the shadow. That's all I'm wearing on my lips, and then I did pop on a gloss. But as far as, like, the actual color, that's all I'm wearing. It lighted on very nicely. So in my opinion, I definitely think Boxycharm is worth it. $21 for 4 to 5 full-size products, and, like, the mascara itself was $23. So just one product can be worth more than the actual box. Like, that's crazy. I don't know how they do it, but I definitely recommend it if you're into, like, makeup and skincare. And I believe you can cancel the subscription whenever you want, or even skip a month. So I would definitely look into Boxycharm. I really enjoyed it, and I enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Let me know if you guys like it. I can possibly make this like a monthly thing, just reviewing the products and letting you guys know what I think. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. Also, make sure you follow me on my social media. My Instagram is linked down below, as well as my Snapchat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.